So we have a BMW X7. It is a G07 with the B58. It's a 2020, and it's in for a no start. We can't verify with the driver of the vehicle at the time of the incident if in fact this was a situation where the vehicle was coming out of the auto start stop, or if the vehicle just died while driving. But ran our test plans and everything is indicating to us that we need to replace the starter. However, this VIN is not applicable to this recall, but X5, X6, X7, 7 Series, 8 Series, and 3 Series with the B58, you can plug your VIN in online. There is a recall. This is Service Bulletin here from BMW. They will have to reprogram your vehicle to the latest software. Essentially what's happening is the vehicle thinks that there's going to be a consequential starter error, and it puts you into a protection mode. So you don't necessarily have a bad starter, but that vehicle will never start. So just keep that in mind. If you guys have a B58 and run into starting issues, check your VINs, guys. You may be covered by this recall.